Looks like we do. Drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And this is an important game for the Blue Alliance as Super Scream Bros is currently ranked #1 in this division. As you can see, 14-204 is taking from the gate and scoring these artifacts relentlessly in that blue zone. However, Red currently is leading 10-05-38 kills, scoring in the red zone. 84-17, going over to that loading zone. Looks like this might be a close autonomous period. Kills stealing it at the end with a 9-point lead in autonomous. We're seeing a lot of artifacts in the loading zones here. Going to be a massive rush. Might see some VAR scoring here in the beginning of Telia, but there's also a couple stray around here that you're going to want to gather before the other alliance can get to it. Super Scream going immediately towards those quick artifacts and that gate. And like I said, we're getting a lot of far shooting here. Teams are going to want to strafe in and out as quickly as possible. Super Scream Bros looking to tie up that lead. Currently over by a couple points, just about 3. But 303-04, Organized Chaos is shooting darts from the far side of the field. Absolute nails into that coffin that is the blue goal. 10-05-38 kills still going back and forth. 84-17 using that opposite loading zone to their advantage and scoring from the close section. We're still seeing a pretty close game here. There's a lot of artifacts over there by the blue tunnel. 3034 is going to take advantage of that. As we've been seeing, Red Alliance might need to take advantage of this soon. Amazing gate management here as well. We're not seeing any buildup in these gates. Almost all of the artifacts are on the field, which is leading to a lot of scrambling and traffic. The score is almost tied up. Red Alliance has the game back in their hands. 39-37. Can they maintain this lead? Super Scream Bros needs this game. They're in the loading zone, going back as quick as possible. Gonna need to take advantage of some of these closer artifacts as soon as possible. Same with 303-04. They're gonna need to score these 133-136. This is a 3-point game right now. Red Alliance just scoring in and out. 10-05-38 kills. Gotta give them credit for that easy strafe they're doing back and forth between the gate. 84-17. Also, a little more complex, but they're going and stealing from the blue side. And now Red is running away with the game. They're all 20 points over. We're going to need to see some amazing parks by here from game. We got 2 partials for the Red, maybe a full and a partial for blue. And then Red has the game currently by 30.
The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 218-188. That one ranking point is going to displace Super Scream Bros from #1 down to #3. And that will mean upward motion and a mixed bag on the